What's up everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to take a look at Shopify App Development. Prompt-based app building is changing now how Shopify apps are created. For merchants, it lowers the barrier to getting custom features without a full development team. For developers, it introduces both challenges: getting custom features without a full development and keeping up with AI tools, and major opportunities to build faster, cheaper, and more interactive apps. So what does this mean for Shopify app development going forward? In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the basics of Shopify app development and explain how recent updates and tools like Sidekick AI affect the ecosystem. Shopify apps are software add-ons that extend the functionality of Shopify store. They allow merchants to customize their store beyond what's available out of the box. Apps can help with inventory and order management, marketing and automation, analytics and reporting, or customer support and personalization. There are public Shopify apps, custom provide Shopify apps, and AI tools like Shopify Sidekick, which makes it easier for merchants to automate tasks, generate content, and manage stores using natural language prompts. However, these tools still have limitations like limited customization depth, restrict access, complex logic and integrations, and also not suitable for advanced or unique business needs. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.